How to complete subject selection in OneSchool. To log into OneSchool, first open the student intranet. If this is not saved on your device, type in the following URL into your browser. Select My Education Plan. Enter your school login ID and then enter your password. Select Login. Select My Education Plan. Select Subject Selection tab. The Subject Selection Guide and Subjects by Line are available under the Documents section to assist with your subject selection. You can open and then minimize these documents so you can use them as a reference when completing your subject selection. Now click here, select the current model and press Save. Select Edit. This will open the subject selection screen. The instructions on how to perform the subject selection are listed at the top of the screen. You are to select one subject from each elective line. These are your main subjects you would like to study. If you make a mistake, you can select Clear Line and reselect the subject, or just select the subject. Once these two subjects are selected, you can rank them. Use the green up and down arrows to place your first preference subject to the top of the list. You are now required to select two preferences or alternate subjects from the drop-down screen. These subjects will be listed by faculty. These subjects may be used if your main subject is oversubscribed or has insufficient numbers. You are to select two subjects, one from elective line 1 and one from elective line 2. You must select different subjects to your main subjects selected above. Select your first alternate subject and then press Add New. Then select your second alternate subject and press Add New again. The main mistake when completing the subject selection is not selecting the Add New after each subject prior to selecting Save and exiting. There is a notes section where you can write information. This is not a requirement and notes are reviewed by the Deputy Principal. Once you have completed the above correctly, press Save. Update Successful will appear at the top of the form. Select Return to Subject Selection once finished. The subjects for each elective line and the order will appear, as well as your two preferences. You can edit your choices up until the subject selection closes. After this time, the subject selection will be locked and no more changes can be made. Please note the following additional information. If an error message appears at the top of the screen instead of update successful, go back and fix any errors, then select Save again. If subjects are oversubscribed, preferences to subjects will be given to students on the following: 1. School attendance record, 2. Effort in class, and 3. When completion of subject selection took place online. In the case of insufficient numbers or over-subscription of a subject, students' alternative subject preferences may be used. If you need any assistance or have any questions, please see the Year Coordinator, Deputy Principal, or Student Services. Thank you.